In this experiment, I am going to extract DNA from banana, and the materials required are a piece of banana, absolute alcohol, some salt, a ziploc bag, a glass jar, and soapy solution. Take a piece of banana and put it in the ziploc bag. Then crush it. Crushing the banana separates its cells. Now take the soapy solution and pour it to the ziploc bag. Now crush it. Now put some salt to the ziploc bag. The soap breaks down the cell membranes and releases DNA. Salt brings the DNA together. Now take a filter. Pour the solution into the filter. Add some water to it to filter the solution. Now we got the filtered liquid and the waste. Now take a small plastic container. Fill half of the plastic container with the solution. Now take absolute alcohol. Add few milliliters of absolute alcohol to the plastic container. Absolute alcohol doesn't mix with the solution. Alcohol helps the DNA precipitate and come out of the solution. You can see some things are floating in the absolute alcohol. This is DNA of banana. First, let's know what is DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the chemical name for the molecule that carries genetic instructions in all living things. The nucleus of every human cell carries a set of unique codes for making new cell to build and maintain the body. These instructions are called genes and they are made of a substance called DNA. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.